Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is lampshade. I'm sharing two ideas with you. So let's start. For the first one, we need a bamboo basket like this. These are easily available in the market. And next thing we need a glue, scissor, pom-pom lace, bulb and holder. And now I am just sticking those pom-pom lace with some glue on the basket. Next, I am going to make a hole in the basket to insert the wire. As this is the bamboo basket, the surface is very hard. That's why I am using screwdriver and hammer to make that hole. Already attached the bulb, so let's see. For the next one, we need an ordinary aluminium lampshade, pom-pom ball, glue, brush, lemon yellow color fabric, bulb and holder. I am just painting the lampshade with lemon yellow color. Paint 2 to 3 coats of color for the better result. With some glue, I am sticking those pom-pom balls. It is done, so let's see the result. If you enjoy the video, then please like, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.